What up? It's your girl Matt, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller, and I pick up stuff from the Goodwill Outlet bins, and I resell on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. I mostly pick up from the Goodwill Outlet bins. Sometimes I pick up at garage sales, sometimes from the regular thrift store, but I prefer the Goodwill Outlet bin because it is $1.97 per pound. I'm going to show you what I found today, and I'm also going to show you the comps, what I expect to make for them, and all the exciting things. I had 17 pounds today plus a book. And I spent like $35 on all the stuff I'm going to show you. Don't forget to subscribe. It encourages me to make more thrift hauls, especially if you find these fun, interesting. And if you like them, generally hit the thumbs up. Let's get started with what I bought today. And I usually start off with the things that I found for myself, and I try to end with the things that are more money. So stick around for that. I found this book today. It's called The Almost Moon, which is kind of weird because, not weird that I'm on a book kick, but I've been reading. My goal was a book a month. I'm on my 7th book. It is only May. I'm ahead of my book count. But last time I was at the bins, I picked up a book called The Lovely Bones. And then I found this one, and it's like the same author. And this is the only book I found this time. So, cool. That's for me. It's June. Okay, excuse me, it's June, but I'm still ahead of the book count. Thank you, Kendra, for helping me out. I'm probably going to show you all the accessories first because, anyway, this one definitely needs a lint roll. This is from the Gorin Bros. I saw these hats running $30 to over $100 on eBay, so I got it. Kendra found a Nike dry fit hat. It does have a little bit of sticker residue on the top. I think it'll come out with some soap and water, though, so if not, I'll have a new hat. For the car, just a little, you could always use one of these. So these were in the bag. They're from Mr. Cat, meow. And it's the rugged shoe, need good care too. That is so weird. Okay, they're brand new, never been worn, for Mr. Cat Original. Never heard of this brand, but this is what I see them running for on eBay, so I got them. And this is all by the pound, so these are probably like 2 pounds, which means this is like $4 for this pair of shoes, which is pretty cheap. If you guys have been to the regular Goodwill, one pair of shoes runs between $8 and $12. Found these cute Steve Madden booties. They are the Gaza, is that the brand? Or the Gaze ones. I see this $25 on, these are running $25 on eBay. But they're my size, so I don't know. You never know. Maybe if they don't sell, like all the other fucking boots I have here, I'll end up keeping them and wearing them. Found these super cute. I only found one, actually. If you've ever been to the Goodwill Outlet bins, you know the finding shoe problem. These are worn a few times, but I found the second one at the end. This other lady was going around looking for it, but I had it, so I patiently waited for her to throw it back. These are Nike sandals. They're size 7. Nah. Kind of weird. Can you see that? Nike made some weird sandals. Free rubber band. Hoka shoes. These are running shoes. I think I'm just going to have Kendra clean them. Maybe not. They're actually in pretty good condition. I saw used ones running for $55 on eBay. These are usually like $120-something sneakers, so I recommend you pick them up if you find them. The bins are really hard with shoes. Usually, I haven't been buying shoes at the bins because it's been a mess. And this is for when we take the dog for a walk, right? Kendra's like, yeah. It's just a speaker. Super cute, pink, super cute. I really need to change my verbiage. I say that all the time. Super cute. It's just a Victoria's Secret bralette from Pink. It feels really nice, and so I'm like, I'm not buying these low profit things anymore. But you know what I decided? Like, this is literally like it's like 4 ounces. It cost me 40 cents. So why am I not going to buy it? I love when I find Nike pants. These are just Nike retro, like, windbreaker shorts. I assume like $15. Kendra found this brand new with tags, Vineyard Vines. I probably will make $10 or $15 off of that. UCF Nights. This is for Kendra. Straight into the wash it goes. Death Row Records, baby. Kind of debated if I wanted to keep this for me, but probably try to just sell it. It is a little cracked in the graphic, and it definitely does need a wash. More Nike shorts. These are just like a pair of mesh shorts with the big swoosh, the new big swoosh it's in. That's a $12 or $15 pair of shorts. Zara. I love Zara. This is not new with tag. This is a Goodwill tag. I just thought this was cute. Does this look like Thanksgiving to anybody or just me? I've been trying not to pick up Zara because that's a low end profit. You make between like $6 and $15 off shirts. So got this for my mom. She's always asking for new band tees. It just says The Who. Ooh, I'll save that for last. This is just a Nike sports bra. Fun fact, Kendra has had some of these. I'm putting you on blast right now since middle school. She is now 30 years old. So that means she's had them for over 15 years. Yes, Nike. That's sustainable clothing. Yeah, look at her. Like, I still wear my sports bra since middle school. But this is the same style as one of the she has, but it's a large, so which means it's my size. So I bought it for me. It's far too cracked to sell, but sports bras we live in, and you can always use them. Now, if you haven't bought jeans or you're not into the jean reseller game, because they do sell slow, they might sell slow or fast for you. They sell slow for me, but I do sell them. 7 for All Mankind is a brand I like to buy. I found a few pairs today, and I did toss them back, but just based off of the style. But these are cute. They're like an ankle frayed hem, which is a style that's in, even though the wide legs are in. These are my last ones because I can't believe people throw this crap away. I bought these for myself too. I thought these were cute little paper bag shorts. They're from Target, A New Day, and I'd like to dress very casual. I have another pair just like that in a similar color, but why do I pick up that stuff? This is a pair of jeans from Torrid. Plus size jeans in good condition. I would assume like $20 or $25 for these. This is a Guess jean jacket, and it is a vintage, maybe not a vintage one, but just a Guess denim jacket. I saw them running between $30 and $70 on eBay, so we'll see how that goes. And I bet you didn't know that this Florida girl is a Cleveland Browns fan. Yes, I am. Miami Dolphins are number one, always 305 till I die. But I love the Cleveland Browns. And on the way out, Kendra found me a Cleveland Browns jersey. Yes, I know it's Mayfield. Yes, I know he's not the quarterback anymore, but that's okay. Free Cleveland Browns jersey. It wasn't free. I paid $1 for it. Because what does that weigh? 12 ounces. Okay, and this, I can't believe. Kendra also found these, and I'm pretty surprised that, I don't know if they're real or not. They're Gucci. Her first find of the day. Damn, you go, babe. They're Gucci brand jeans. I don't know anything about Gucci, to be honest. I have a Gucci bag in my closet. I'm going to probably do a little work and research. Maybe I'll make this for them. So, who knows? This was a baby haul for sure. It was only 17 pounds. Like, if you watch any of my other videos, I literally drop out. We get like 20 to 30 pounds every time we're at the bins. But I found some really big money items, and I should make a few pennies off of this. I mean, I spent $35, and I should walk away here with a few $100s in my pocket once I sell it. So stay tuned, follow for more, and don't forget, if you enjoy this, hit the thumbs up because, yes, like I said before, it encourages me to make more videos. If I can do it, so can you. I am a reseller. I do this full time. This is my business, and if you're ever interested in how you can do this too, you want to know how I ship what I sold. I haven't made those videos yet, but if you're interested, let me know in the comments because I'd love to know what you want to see, and I'd love to show you what you want to know. Thanks for being here. It's your girl, Mad. Peace out.